Your resume can make or break your job application. It is the first impression you make on potential employers, and as such, it needs to be perfect. But what differentiates a good resume from a bad one? Let's dive in. In the world of resumes, less is more. You might think including your full address is a must, but you'd be wrong. Save the space and only mention your city and country. Now, you've spent years gaining industry experience, so why would you bury it beneath your education? Unless you're fresh out of school, it's your experience that should take center stage. Show off those hard-earned skills right at the top of your resume. Speaking of experience, make sure it's relevant. If your past job doesn't tie in with the role you're applying for, leave it out. Instead, focus on the work experience that highlights why you're the best fit for the position. Here's a game changer: clickable links. Make it easy for recruiters to find your projects or documents. However, be mindful not to hyperlink every clickable element. Overdoing it can lead to confusion. Presentation matters. Don't cram everything together and leave white space all over your resume. Align it well and make sure every inch of your resume is used effectively. As for your interests, unless they're directly relevant to the job, they don't need to be on your resume. Recruiters are interested in your skills and experience, not your love for watercolor painting or mountain biking. Now let's talk about some additional tips. Use the active voice. Begin your sentences with a strong active verb that best represents your contributions. And remember, use the present tense for current activities and the past tense for past ones. Avoid phrases like responsible for or duties include. They're passive and don't demonstrate your abilities effectively. Prioritize sections based on relevance. The most important information should be at the top. Tailor your section headings to the position. For instance, work experience could become research experience or additional employment experience. Organize your descriptors so that the most relevant appear first. It's all about making it easy for recruiters to see why you're the perfect fit for the role. Remember, your resume is your ticket to a job interview. Make it count. Apply these tips to your resume and see the difference it makes. Good luck!